Tony and Corey here, your Weekend Warriors, and today we're working on the Weekend Warriors workshop. So we decided to stop by the Habitat for Humanity ReStore to see if there was anything we could find to help us.
Oh, I'm sure we're going to find what we're looking for. This place has got a ton of stuff, from material that was left over unsellable at another retailer or returned from a project that was completed and the product didn't get used. It's really inexpensive, and they've got a ton of stuff. We're definitely going to find what we want.
Yeah, and all of the proceeds go to help the Habitat for Humanity program.
Let's go see what they got. First thing we got to do is deal with the back wall. The back wall has got some damage to the sheetrock, and we need to fill those holes, patch that up, and then we got to paint the whole back wall before we can start doing whatever wall treatment we're going to do, and then start working on the rest of the shop. So we got to get some spackle, we got to get some putty knives, we got to get some paint, some paintbrushes, some roller covers, and a paint tray. That smoke's a good color. I'd like to see that on the wall. Get the paintbrush we need an angled brush for cutting. I want a lava lamp. Corey, I want this lamp.
Everybody can use a T-square. We just found this really cool bin with all of these casters in it. We're gonna use these to mount to our workbench so we can move it around in the studio. We just found this bundle of 25 square feet of blue and buggy pine. I think I have the perfect idea for this. 25 square feet of blue and buggy TNT pine.
That's perfect. That's exactly what we need.
Look how wide it is.
It's a monster.
So we're building our own workbench, but if you need a workbench for your garage, a perfect solution is to find an old door. Just like these flat panel old door blanks. You can pull one of these on a tabletop, and this thing is really sturdy, makes a great workbench.